Hey guys, it's Adrian, and today I want to talk to you about how to get the most out of your online advertising efforts. So let's get into it. I've been working in the online space for quite a few years, and what I've learned is that the audience you market to is very different across solo ads, classified ads, social media, or the search engines. For example, people advertise in safe lists and traffic exchanges for one reason only, and that's to get leads and sales into their business. Most of them are not open to joining another income stream. If you have a pretty decent capture page, you can easily get a ton of opt-ins to your list. But what's more important is how many of those leads are actually converted into a sale. For a couple months, I did some testing where I promoted a capture page like this on safe list traffic exchanges and also on My Lead Gen Secret. I received a ton of leads from all three sources, but the only place where I actually received any signups was on the My Lead Gen Secret platform. So what that tells me is there are real buyers inside this system. They don't need to be warmed up. I didn't have to worry about that know, like, and trust aspect of the game. If you have something they are interested in, then you're going to make a sale. The best product or service to advertise on safe lists or traffic exchanges is anything that will help your audience grow their own business, such as any type of traffic generation or lead generation offers. And this is why they respond so well to the My Lead Gen Secret system, because it's affordable and they can get leads and sales for their own business. All of these sales for the MLGS system came from the 200 leads that they drop into my back office every single day. Now, when you sign up, you're going to get 10 email swipes. And if you want an additional 30 email swipes, then you can buy this one-time offer, which is an upsell. Now, RC means these are recurring commissions. And if you come on over to the home button, you can see your most recent emails that you sent out. If I'm advertising the MLGS system, I don't use a capture page with these leads because they're already in my back office and I'm going to be emailing them every day. But if I promote my primary business, then I do use a capture page to get them on my email list for my business. I also make sure to add my photo at the bottom of the email so they can get familiar with who I am, along with the link to whatever I want to promote in the signature line to get passive opt-ins. Now, if we come on over to my Gmail account, you can see that these MLGS leads are very responsive. Everywhere it says MLGS is a lead that came from the system. So this is one of the sources that I like to use to get signups and sales. Now, another resource I use is this dashboard mailer, and it consists of more than 34 safe lists at the moment, and new ones are always being added. I advertise in safe lists only 2 days a week, and the rest of the days I just rack up some credits. This system is completely free to join, and there's a link below this video that says free dashboard mailing system. What I really like about it is you can do everything right here. You can see how many credits you have, and if any one of these mailers are low in credits, you just click the link that says read email, and then you go through and read enough emails until you have, at least 2,000 credits accumulated. And you can open 10 of these emails at once, and then you just refresh the page and open up 10 more. Now, when it comes time to send out an email, you can write the email one time and it will send to all the mailers that you are registered with at the click of a button, which is a big time saver. So if you are registered at all 34 mailers, then your solo would go out to all 34 of them. The other system I like to use is called Referral Frenzy, and you can advertise to over 100 mailers at the click of a button. Now, at the time of this video, there are currently 129 safe lists in this system. If you click the link below this video that says free sign up at Referral Frenzy, you can go ahead and create an account for free, and they don't even ask for a credit card to open an account. If you come over to this My Ads button, this is where you can keep copies of all of your emails, so you just need to write them first before you can send any of your solos out. And then come over to the Send Mail button and start registering at as many of these mailers that you want. When you get ready to send an email, select all the plain text mailers and all the HTML mailers, and then go to the bottom and click the Send Mail button. And on the next page, you'll come down here and select one of your emails that you saved beforehand, and then click Post Ad. Now, with a free account, you will not be able to send a solo until you upgrade, which starts at $15 a month. But you'll at least be able to get everything set up by signing up at a lot of these mailers and start storing up your credits. And this is going to take a few days to go through all of them because this is a lot. But to help you out with the credits, there's this bonus advertising button that will automatically replenish your credits at the first of every month. All you have to do is just make sure that you have your referral ID added behind this Edit Info button so that you can automatically get those credits. Now, I get more opt-ins and higher conversions using this strategy. You can see right here, I got 7 leads in one day. And then over here, I got 19 leads. Got 8 leads right here. And then another 9 right here. So here's a recap of the 3 methods I use to get signups and sales on a daily basis. Number 1, I write a new email in my lead gen secret every day. Number 2, on Tuesdays and Fridays, I send out a solo to all the mailers in the dashboard system and Referral Frenzy. And number 3, I also serve several traffic exchanges on Tuesday and Fridays. The remaining days of the week, I use that to collect my credits and get prepared for my next mailing. So I'll just put on a movie or watch some HGTV while I read through all the emails and surf through the exchanges. Now, when you're advertising on SafeList every day, people can kind of get used to seeing your offers, which makes it less effective. But when you email only 2 days a week, they don't remember it, so you have a higher chance of getting new opt-ins. So go ahead and get your free account set up with the dashboard mailers and Referral Frenzy. Do this for a solid month and you'll be amazed at how well it works. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment or give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.